What if I told you the moment a woman ignores you isn't a rejection? It's a test that decides whether you rise like a man she respects or collapse like every guy she's ever forgotten. Most men panic when she pulls away. They text more, they call more, they chase, and every desperate move tells her exactly what she feared, that he's ordinary, predictable, and weak. But the man she can't stop thinking about, he's the one who doesn't flinch when she turns cold. He's the man who understands the hidden psychology behind her silence. And once you see it, you'll never look at female behavior the same way again. Listen carefully, because this is where most men ruin their chances. When she ignores you, your brain screams for action. It feels like rejection, and rejection triggers survival instinct. You want to fix it. You want answers. You want to prove you're worth her attention. But here's the harsh truth. Every word you send, every explanation you chase lowers your value in her eyes. She doesn't need more words. She needs to feel your presence without you begging for hers. That's why the most powerful move isn't chasing. It's pulling back into your center, where your worth doesn't depend on her response. Think about it. Why do women ignore? Sometimes it's because she feels too secure and she wants to see if you'll crumble when she withdraws. But the real reason doesn't even matter. What matters is what she feels when she ignores you. If she feels you breaking down, she wins. If she feels you standing firm, suddenly she's the one unsettled. That shift is what makes her curiosity burn again. You see, women aren't drawn to men they understand completely. They're drawn to men they can't fully predict. If she knows that ignoring you will make you chase, she loses respect. But if ignoring you makes you colder, calmer, more focused on your own life, she's forced to look back at you with different eyes. That's reverse psychology in its purest form. Not by playing games, but by flipping the script of power. Instead of asking, "Why is she ignoring me?" you silently make her wonder, "Why isn't he reacting to me?" This is the truth nobody told you. Attraction isn't built in the moments when she's sweet and available. It's forged in the moments when she tests your strength. Every man can smile when a woman gives him attention. Only the rare man can stay unshaken when she pulls it away. And women chase that kind of man, because deep down they fear losing him more than he fears losing them. That fear, that respect, that tension, it's what keeps her invested. And it all begins the second you choose to act differently, when she ignores you. When a woman ignores you, the biggest mistake you can make is thinking you need to explain yourself into her heart. Men believe that if they just find the right words, the right apology, or the right message, she'll suddenly see their worth. But that's not how female psychology works. The more you explain, the more you prove that you need her validation to feel grounded. And the truth, the man she respects doesn't explain. He embodies confidence, control, and presence without chasing approval. Let me tell you something that may sting. Women don't ignore men by accident. Every cold reply, every delayed text, every shift in tone is intentional. Why? Because women feel safest when they know the man in front of them can't be easily controlled by their mood. If she can shake your foundation by ignoring you for a few hours, she'll never trust you in the storms of real life. She's not consciously thinking this, but deep down she's testing your emotional muscle. Will you bend, or will you stand tall? That's what she's really searching for. So here's what you do. Instead of chasing, mirror her energy with calm detachment. If she gives you distance, you don't collapse into silence out of bitterness. Nor do you smother her with endless attention. You simply match her pace, redirect your focus onto your mission, your body, your goals, and your circle. It's about alignment. You show her that your life is full, your heart is steady, and your worth doesn't rise or fall depending on her mood. That calm indifference doesn't push her away. It pulls her in because she realizes she can't rattle you the way she rattles other men. Think about how predators hunt in nature. They don't chase the strongest prey. They go after the weak, the desperate, the ones who break formation. Women are wired to respect the man who isn't easy prey. The man who can't be emotionally manipulated, who stays grounded, even when she throws emotional storms his way. When you act like this, you flip the power dynamic without a single word. Suddenly, she's the one analyzing you, wondering if she's losing your attention, wondering if she's being replaced in your world. And that fear, the fear of losing you, is far more powerful than any explanation you could give. You see, men often confuse love with constant pursuit. They think chasing proves devotion. But devotion without boundaries isn't love, it's desperation. Real love, the kind that women respect, is built on the frame of self-control. A man who can walk away at any moment, yet chooses to stay, is far more valuable than the man who clings because he has nowhere else to go. That's why when she ignores you, your silence isn't weakness, it's power. It signals that you can live without her. And that's exactly why she starts fearing the thought of living without you. Here's the part most men never see coming. When you stop reacting to her silence, the game flips. At first she ignores you to test you. But when you refuse to chase, she feels something far more unsettling than your words could ever deliver. She feels uncertainty. And uncertainty is the seed of attraction. Because the human mind, especially the female mind, is addicted to the things it can't fully control. Think about this. When you're too available, too predictable, she knows exactly how to handle you. You become safe, simple, ordinary. But when you're calm in her absence, when you show her that her silence doesn't dictate your world, suddenly you're no longer predictable. You've created an emotional gap, and her brain rushes to fill it with curiosity. She starts asking herself questions she hasn't asked about you in a long time. What's he doing? Who has his attention now? Did I lose some of his interest? Has he already replaced me in his mind? These questions make her restless, and restlessness is the soil where attraction grows. Here's what's even more powerful. Your silence doesn't just create mystery, it forces her to measure her own feelings. Because when she ignores you, she expects your reaction to reassure her of her value. If you don't give her that, she has to confront her own desire. She has to face the possibility that she actually cares more about you than she thought. And that is exactly what reignites her pursuit. She stops being the one testing you and starts being the one tested by her own emotions. Now some men worry, what if my silence makes her forget me? Let me be brutally honest, if a woman can forget you just because you didn't chase, she never valued you in the first place. A woman who sees your worth won't disappear because you gave her space. She'll come back stronger because absence amplifies value. That's why kings don't beg for loyalty. They create an energy that makes people fear losing them. You must become that kind of man in your relationships. But here's the subtle art you need to understand. Silence doesn't mean coldness. You're not punishing her. You're not angry. You're not acting out of spite. You're simply unbothered. You still carry warmth, presence, and masculine energy when she comes back. But during the silence, you let her feel what life is like without your steady attention. And trust me, once she feels the emptiness of that absence, she'll crave to fill it again. Men who master this understand a simple truth. Women respect boundaries more than affection. She'll enjoy sweet words, but she'll respect the silence that shows you're not dependent on her validation. That respect is what makes her see you differently from the crowd of men who would sell their soul just to hear back from her. It's not the chasing that builds desire, it's the discipline. And once you internalize that, you'll never fall into the trap of over-pursuing again. Every time she ignores you, there's a hidden mirror being held up to your soul. That mirror reflects your emotional discipline, or your lack of it. Most men hate that mirror because it reveals the truth. They can't handle silence, they crumble. The second attention is taken away, but the rare man, the one who becomes unforgettable, is the man who welcomes that silence like an old friend because he knows silence is power. Let me give you an image. Picture a man standing in the middle of a storm. The wind is violent, the rain is relentless, but he doesn't move, he doesn't fight it, he doesn't run. He simply stands. That's the energy a woman feels when she tries to shake you with her coldness, and you remain steady. To her, that calmness is more attractive than looks, money, or sweet words, because she sees something primal. She sees strength, not the strength of muscles, but the strength of mind. And that is the strength she can't control, the strength she secretly desires, the strength that makes her fear losing you. Now, when you don't chase, when you stay unbothered, you don't just stop giving her power, you quietly shift the frame. Instead of her thinking, he needs me to feel good, she starts thinking, do I need him more than he needs me? That single question flips everything. Because once a woman starts measuring her own investment in you, she begins chasing, not with desperation, but with curiosity, with energy, with effort. And the irony, she'll do it thinking it's her idea. This is not about manipulation, it's about showing her through your actions that your value doesn't live in her hands. And that is the most magnetic thing a man can embody. Why? Because women are wired to crave security but chase excitement. When you're predictable and desperate, you give her security but kill her excitement. When you're centered, disciplined, and unshaken, you give her both. She feels safe knowing you don't lose yourself over her moods, and she feels excitement because she can't fully predict your reaction. That balance is the holy ground of attraction. But let me be blunt. This only works if your silence is backed by a real life. If you're sitting by the phone, obsessing, replaying her every word while pretending to be detached, she'll feel the lie. Women sense energy better than words. If you act like you don't care, but your whole world revolves around her, she'll know. That's why you must invest your energy into your mission, your body, your growth, your circle. Not to make her jealous, not to play games, but to build the kind of life where her presence is a blessing, not your oxygen tank. The truth is, you don't win her back by chasing. You win her back by creating a reality she doesn't want to lose. Your silence tells her she's not the center of your universe, and your actions show her you're a man worth orbiting. That's how reverse psychology works without you saying a single word. Here's the part most men never get to see. The emotional storm inside a woman once she realizes her silence no longer controls you. At first, ignoring you feels like power. She thinks she's creating distance, keeping you on edge, making you prove yourself. But when you don't react, when you don't chase, something shifts deep inside her. What once felt like control now feels like risk. Risk of losing a man who isn't afraid to lose her. And that risk lights up a part of her psychology she cannot turn off. You see, women are drawn to men who give them a subtle fear of loss. Not fear through threats, not fear through games, but fear through strength. When you calmly live your life without reacting to her withdrawal, you send a powerful message. I don't need you to be complete. And in that moment, she begins to wonder, what if I lose him to someone else? What if he realizes he's better without me? What if he's already moving on? These thoughts aren't just passing doubts, they're emotional hooks, and they keep pulling her attention back to you. Now, here's where the paradox kicks in. The more she thinks about you, the less she can ignore you. Silence, which was once her weapon, becomes her prison. Every hour she doesn't hear from you, her curiosity grows. Every day you remain grounded. Her mind replays the moments when you gave her attention. And the contrast between your past pursuit and your present calmness drives her crazy, because suddenly she feels the imbalance. She's the one wondering, waiting, reaching. But understand this clearly. She won't always admit it. Most women won't say, I miss you, or I regret ignoring you. Instead, she'll test again, but differently. She might send a small text just to see if you'll jump. She might like an old photo of yours just to gauge your reaction. She might even bring up random excuses to start a conversation. These aren't accidents. They're signals, probes to see if you've really changed or if you'll slip back into old patterns. And if you stand firm, if you keep your frame, that's when she realizes you've become the rare kind of man she doesn't want to lose. This is why self-control is the foundation of attraction. Without it, every test crumbles you. With it, every test deepens her respect. And once respect is there, attraction follows like gravity. Because love without respect dies fast. But respect without love always turns into attraction over time. That's why when she ignores you, your silence isn't about payback, it's about positioning. You're positioning yourself as a man who doesn't break, a man who doesn't beg, a man who doesn't chase. And that image is far more powerful than any line you could ever text her. So remember this, her silence isn't rejection. It's an opportunity to reveal your strength, to show her you're built differently, and to make her realize if she doesn't respect your presence, she will fear your absence. There's a truth about women most men spend their entire lives blind to. She doesn't lose interest when you're silent. She loses interest when you're predictable. Ignoring her back is not about being cold. It's about being unshakable. It's about showing her that your emotions are not for sale. Your attention is not a toy, and your value doesn't rise and fall based on her moods. That is the kind of man a woman cannot walk away from no matter how hard she tries. Think about it. Every time you've chased, begged, or over-explained yourself, what happened? Did she run closer or did she run further? Every man has felt that sting. The more he gives, the less she values it. But the moment you pull back, the moment you stop being predictable, the energy shifts. She starts looking at you with curiosity again. She starts noticing your absence instead of taking your presence for granted. That's not an accident. It's psychology. Humans don't crave what's always available. They crave what they're afraid of losing. This is why mastering your response when she ignores you is one of the most important skills you'll ever learn as a man. Because it's not just about her, it's about you. It's about building the discipline to stop bleeding your energy into people who don't respect it. It's about training your mind to stay calm under pressure. It's about becoming the kind of man who can walk into any room, any relationship, any situation, and carry himself with quiet authority. Women feel that. Men respect that. The world bends to that. And here's the secret. The moment you stop needing her reaction, you become magnetic. Your silence carries weight because it's not an act, it's who you are. You don't chase because you don't need to. You don't beg because your life is already full. And when she realizes she's dealing with a man like that, her entire energy changes. She stops treating you like an option and starts fearing the possibility of being forgotten by you. That fear doesn't push her away, it pulls her closer. But I'll leave you with this warning. If you use this only to get her back, you'll fail. Because it's not about playing tricks. It's about transforming into a man who no longer depends on anyone else's attention for validation. If you embody that, women will feel it without you saying a word. And not just her. Every woman you'll ever meet from this point forward. That's how you stop being the man who gets ignored and start being the man women chase, respect, and can't forget. So now I'll turn this back on you. Be honest with yourself. When a woman has ignored you in the past, did you panic and chase, or did you hold your frame and let her feel your absence? Share your experience in the comments below. I want to hear your story. And if this message spoke to you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who needs to hear it today. Because somewhere out there, another man is about to make the mistake you now know how to avoid.